everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Moko. Today I'm going to share you guys another soup recipe. I always want to make a pumpkin soup, but the place where I live there's no blender or something I can mix them up. So in this recipe you don't need to use any kind of blender. Then you can have a super delicious pumpkin soup. If you're interested in this recipe, please continue to watch the video. These are our ingredients: pumpkin, cream, and a little bit butter. Let's do it! Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!